Testing in schools. Children's academic performance is often measured with the use of standardized tests. Those tests include, but are not limited to, achievement and aptitude tests. Achievement tests are used to measure what a child has already learned. Achievement tests are often used as measures of teaching effectiveness within a school setting and as a method to make schools that receive tax dollars, such as public schools, charter schools, and private schools that receive vouchers, accountable to the government for their performance. Aptitude tests are designed to measure a student's ability to learn or to determine if a person has potential in a particular program. These are often used at the beginning of a course of study or as part of college entrance requirements. The Scholastic Aptitude Test, SAT, and Preliminary Scholastic Aptitude Test, PSAT, are perhaps the most familiar aptitude tests to students in grades 6 and above. Learning test-taking skills and preparing for SATs has become part of the training that some students in these grades receive as part of their pre-college preparation. Other aptitude tests include the MCAT, Medical College Admission Test, the LSAT, Law School Admission Test, and the GRE, Graduate Record Examination. Intelligence tests are also a form of aptitude test, designed to measure a person's ability to learn. What happened to No Child Left Behind? In 2001, President Bush signed into effect Public Law 107-110, better known as the No Child Left Behind Act, mandating that schools administer achievement tests to students and publish those results so that parents have an idea of their children's performance. Additionally, the government would have information on the gaps in educational achievement between children from various social class, racial, and ethnic groups. Schools that showed significant gaps in these levels of performance were mandated to work toward narrowing these gaps. Educators criticized the policy for focusing too much on testing as the only indication of student performance. Target goals were considered unrealistic and set by the federal government rather than individual states. Because these requirements became increasingly unworkable for schools, changes to the law were requested. On December 12, 2015, President Obama signed into law the Every Student Succeeds Act. This law is state-driven and focuses on expanding educational opportunities and improving student outcomes, including in the areas of high school graduation, dropout rates, and college attendance.